If you're looking for the simplest way to define and draw the trend lines like uptrend and downtrend, this video is especially made for you. Hello, I'm Dr. Trader Amir and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you basic concepts of how to recognize trend lines that are so essential in analyzing stock markets like Bitcoin and gold. At first, let me tell you what are trends. A trend is the overall direction of price movement over a certain period of time, and also there are several types of trend lines that are so essential to know about if you want to be an expert trader, and it can hugely help you to analyze and understand stock charts more comprehensively. The first trend is uptrend, and most of uptrends are compromised from higher highs and higher lows, which means that in this type of trends, buyers are stronger than sellers and they wanted to increase the price from a level to a higher level. The second trend is downtrend. In downtrend, sellers are stronger than buyers and they are decreasing the price of the market from a level to a lower level, which means that uh, buyers are not strong enough to change the trend, and the trend is definite downtrend, and in overall picture the price is decreasing. And another trend, which is a compromise from multiple uptrends and downtrends, is sideways trend. In this trend, there is no specific trend. I mean that there is no specific increasing in price or decreasing in price, and it mostly consists of continuous couple of uptrends and downtrends. At first example, which is from Apple stock chart, we can see that there are several higher lows, and if we look closer that at these points, we can see that in these points, sellers wanted to decrease the price from a level to a lower level, but they couldn't be successful in their mission, and overall the chart is seeing higher lows. And also this chart is consists of higher highs, which means that in this specific points, buyers are so stronger than sellers and they are increasing the price of market, and the next price level is always higher than the previous ones. And overall this chart is uptrend because it is consists of several higher highs and higher lows. And the second example, which is from Apple market again, we can see that it is compromised from couple of higher lows. And in this given points, we can see that sellers wanted to decrease the price from a level to lower level, but they couldn't accomplish it. And the chart is consists of several higher low, and the overall picture of price is increasing. And also this chart is consists of several higher highs, which means that buyers are so stronger than sellers and they are increasing the price and its level from a one point to higher point. And in overall the big picture of this chart is uptrend, and it is obvious that the price is increasing from a level to higher level, and also it is compromised from several higher highs and higher lows. In next instance, which is from Bitcoin stock market, we can see that in this chart, which is compromised from several lower low. In this At this specific and each of these lower lows, we can see that sellers wanted to decrease the price and they are successful in their mission. And if we look at the chart overall, we can see that the price level is decreasing continuously, and the next level of price is lower than the previous ones. And also, this chart is compromised from a couple of lower highs, which means that at some specific points, buyers wanted to increase the price and they wanted to break the line and go higher and higher, but they weren't successful in their mission and they couldn't accomplish it, which means that the overall picture of this chart is downtrend, and it means that the price is decreasing, and in overall conclusion, sellers are so stronger than buyers and the overall price of market has decreased. And the fourth example is from Bitcoin market. And as you can see, this chart is a little different from previous ones. And in some area, there are lower lows, and uh, which means that it is downtrend. And but these at some specific other areas there are higher lows, which is different from the previous area. And also at some specific area there are lower high, and in another area there are higher highs, which means that this chart is compromised from two different trends. And at first it was downtrend, and then it has changed from downtrend to uptrend. Overall, this is a sideways trend, and as I mentioned earlier, sideways trend are mostly compromised from couple of downtrends and uptrends. And if we want to define the overall trend of the sideways, it is a neutral, and also there is no specific trend in most of sideways, and it is consists of just several continuous uptrends and downtrends. As I mentioned in my previous videos, if you want to be a professional trader, there is a lot of factors and features you must know about, and one of them is how to define the trend of market. And in this video, I have talked about several principles that are so essential and vital if you want to define the market easily. And uh, trading, it is so based on rehearsing and practicing. And if you want to be pro in trading and trade like a millionaire traders, if you should practice and rehearse daily and hourly. For example, this subject, which was about downtrend and uptrend and the overall trend of all markets, you should go and read and analyze tons of charts from different stock markets, and try to read and understand what is going on the chart of the stock market, and try to define the trend of that chart. For example, if it is downtrend, try to look for lower highs and lower lows, and if it is uptrend, try to look for higher highs and higher lows. And if it is consists of several downturn and uptrend, it is sideways trend. And also, as I mentioned, always trading is so similar to mathematics. If you want to be a expert trader and if you want to make profit from this career, you should practice a lot. For example, in mathematics, just memorizing formula never is enough, and we should rehearse and practice and solve the problem if we want to grasp the whole information of one subject for mathematics. For example, if you want to learn integral in mathematics, you should solve tons of problems that are also related to integral with formula, and on that case you will be a mathematician. And also, trade is so similar to mathematics, and if you want to be a professional in this uh, career, you should learn about, for example, the trend of market, the candlestick patterns, or for example, about how to read charts, how to analyze it, how to use indicator, and there's so features that can be helpful and useful in reading charts, and also how to be expert in reading. And for example, if you rehearse a lot, you can define and predict the future price of a market by just a scan. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment box and I will answer it as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye bye.